Hey, it's Ben, Intramural and Adventure Coordinator for the Student Rec Center, and today we're going to talk about the DIY camping kit. All right, so the story behind the DIY camping kit is basically for the outdoor adventure program. We have all this really cool equipment. We have tents, we have backpacks, we have tons of stuff. And it's all sitting in a snazzy brand new garage out behind the Student Rec Center. And then when COVID shut everything down, basically all that equipment is just kind of sitting there gathering cobwebs. So we thought, you know what, why not just check that out to the students for free, basically just like a library book, so they can go out and have their own adventures. So basically what it is you send in a request to me and say, hey, I want this equipment. I reserve it for you. Make sure it's clean, ready to go, and then we give it to you, and you take it camping. We provide you with like a local guide on camping spots that are either free or paid or all that sort of thing. You go out, have your own experience, and then you bring it back, and then we clean it. We set it aside, we sanitize everything, and then we set it aside for the next person. So it's a really cool service that we get to provide for y'all. Basically, it's entirely free unless the equipment comes back either damaged or overly dirty or anything like that, which we outline in the reservation form and all that. So. But yeah, so here's a real quick tutorial on how to make the reservations, and we'll talk a little bit about how it goes after that. So if you're trying to request equipment for the DIY program, you're going to go to our link tree to find the link for the request form. You can find this link in our Instagram profile or our Facebook profile, or you can just punch in this address in your browser bar. Link tr.ee/RRCC student rec, and that'll take you to this page. Just scroll down to the DIY camping kit request form. Click on that guy, and that'll pop up a Google form here. It gives you all the information at the top here when you can check the equipment out and bring it back, 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Mondays and Thursdays, and then you have to submit the form at least 2 business days prior, and you can have the equipment for up to 2 weeks. Once you get past that, you can request equipment. We got tents here, sleeping bags, sleeping pads, headlamps, all that sort of thing. How many you want, the quantity, when you'll be checking the equipment out, when you'll be bringing it back, and then any questions or concerns you have on the equipment. Once you get past this page, it'll take you to a kind of a demographic page where you type in your name, S number, email, all that sort of thing, and we will email you back to confirm your reservation when you can pick up the equipment. And that's all. That's all there is. Wow, that was boring. But that's the gist of it. That's all there is. You check out equipment, you go camping, you have a great time, and then you bring it back, and it's free. Don't cost nothing. And so, this time of year, fall in Colorado, the leaves are changing, it's getting crisp outside. You probably want to take your friends, go camping in a tent, drink some hot cocoa, watch the sunset over the mountains, all that Colorado crap. Do it with a DIY camping kit. You'll be glad you did.